Hello students, in this video we will discuss about relation and function. This is the second chapter of class 11th Maths NCERT. As you see here, there are two topics in this chapter. First is relations and second is function. What is meaning of relation? As you know that many type of relation you can see in our behavior life, day-to-day life. Such type of relations you can find in mathematics. As like suppose H, B and P. This is the sides of a right angle triangle. Thus, this is the hypotenuse. H means hypotenuse, B means base and P means perpendicular. Since among these three sides, one relation is given by Pythagoras, which is known as Pythagoras theorem, and by this theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. This is a mathematically relation between hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Same way, we can say that if there are two numbers taken as 4 and 6, then here given two type of relations. First relation created 4 is less than 6, or second we can say that same in the other language, 6 is greater than 4. These type of many relations given in our mathematics, then or in this chapter we will study about this type of relations in this chapter. Now discuss or define to the relation. Before this we will study about Cartesian product of given any two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets means what is the set? Already we have discussed about the set in the previous video, that means in the first chapter. If Cartesian product, define Cartesian product. What is the Cartesian product? If A and B are any two non-empty sets, then R is said to be, then Cartesian product of A and B will be A cross B equal to AB, such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is the Cartesian product of set A and set B. Now we will take an example. If A equal to, A is a set, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 5, 2, then Cartesian product represented by A cross B equal to 1, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 3, 2. These all are Cartesian product of A and B, which is represented by A cross B equal to this. These brackets, these such brackets is known as ordered pair. What is here? 1, 5, 1, 2, and so on, 3, 2 are known as ordered pair. Ordered pair. That means we can say that if we want to define Cartesian product, then we can say that set of all ordered pair of the A and B sets, which is represented by A cross B, is known as Cartesian product. Now in the next video, we will discuss about next type of topic related to relation and function.